So, as you can see, there are many amazing ways that we can use the Khan Academy for our classrooms. I'm going to give you a quick look at a student view, and then we'll go back to the teacher view so that we can really get a good grasp on what it looks like. So the student view here, as you can see, you can earn badges, and these are your energy points. Now, your energy points can help you because right here I can choose my badge, and I have chosen this leafer. I can't get this next guy until I have 10,000 energy points. So it really motivates your students to continue working, and the better they do on their assignments and their quizzes, the more energy points they get. And that will help them get different avatars that can grow and build with them. They can change the background. But again, you need to have energy points for that. They also get badges that you can get. So here's a practice makes perfect badge that I earned. And you can fill up your badges with all kinds of different activities. It tells you, how long you were on there, how many days you've been. You can level up. Here I can see my assignments that have been assigned. So I did this one. I got an 86%. Try to beat that score. So you can always go back and your students are able to redo the assignments. There's a time and date that they need to be completed, and you're able to do that. So we can start one of the assignments. Which one is longer? The shark. You check it and you're able to see which one is longer. Now, when you're looking at the measurement and counting, you can go here. And what's really wonderful is that if you go into a lesson, counting numbers, you have the ability to watch a video. And this video will teach your students, one second. So this video will teach your students how to do the tasks and what's expected of them. So what's really nice too is that for your students that might need a visual, it does have the voiceover down here that will help them as well. So that's just another amazing accommodation that the Khan Academy has. It has a voiceover of what's being done. So you're not unable to hear it, but when you're on the thing, it's a guy and he's telling you how to count them. He says, "This is fun," and they're just wonderful tutorials for your students. So you can go back to the lesson, and then once they've watched that video, they're able to complete the lesson here. One second. And so then they're able to go back and they're able to complete the lesson. And they're counting. So put 3 whales in the box. So quickly we'll go and I will show you the view of the teacher. So here, within my profile, I can go to my profile. And now I'm able to see the progress that my students have done. I'm able to see here that my students, we need practice still on counting in order. We've been practicing this. So it gives you information on how much progress they have made, how many times they've attempted, what videos have been viewed, the activity. So we can see, how many energy points are earned, how long my students were on an activity and what they were working towards. also able to see what they spent the most time trying to learn. So this is just an amazing tool that you can use to really see where your students are at and what they're grasping. It breaks it down for you a little bit more how long each of these things were completed. And so this is a great way for you to see what your students are doing. A discussion allows questions to be asked and answered within your class. And it just lets you view those assignments, how your students are doing, and what maybe you need to be working on next. So, as you can see, the Khan Academy is a great way for you to integrate technology within your classroom. It's a wonderful tool for assessments, and it helps you differentiate that instruction for your students.